As you can see, the cool, wonderful things going around, people boating, fishing. It's a good time. Get out here. It's like 78, 75 today. Can't beat it. For a swim, Lola? Oh no. Yeah, good job, doggy.
She's like, I didn't think she was gonna do it.
Tex, you tapped out, buddy? You gonna catch up with Fabi? All right, Lola. You got it, Lola. You could do it. Boo! Lola, don't be shy.
next day.
We are back again. Actually, myself and Sam Dog, the infamous 253, just coming out to enjoy the pool today, eat some snacks while we're at it, and just have a good day while we relax and take in the rest of this day to cool off and have a good time. All right, I think it's time for us to jump in, Sam.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yep.
All right, here we go, Sam. Ah! Oh, dude, how did that look?
Tell me, man. You belly flopped in.
All right, so I'm back with Sam Dog, the infamous 253. Sam, what are you up to these days?
Just kind of in the dead period right now on my channel. But yeah, I'm hoping everything comes back soon with training camp. Granted, it won't be no interactions because now I can't do filming in there. But when the preseason games come back, hopefully get the interactions. Hopefully things will pick up a bit. But I don't mind relaxing for a little while. I mean, I did drop a video yesterday of a really cool red Lamborghini coming in.
There we go.
Yeah, but first time swimming since the Canada trip with Damon and the guys. I didn't film anything on that, but that was a fun trip. Just coming out here, the weather's nice. Finally in the summertime, 4th of July, a couple days from now, and got a few days off from work, so I'm feeling good.
There we go. So yeah, Sam, as you guys know, has been on the channel many times now, and we do everything almost together. So Sam's getting ready to go back to New York here very soon in October.
Yeah, late September, beginning October, and I appreciate the thumbnail you made. I gave you a shout out in that video when I made the announcement that going to 2 primetime games 2 nights in a row at the stadium where we won the Super Bowl. Yep. I was looking at the schedule and I stumbled upon before the Seahawks-Giants game. I'm like, wait, what is this? I was like, is this real? Like, what? And yep. Aaron Rodgers takes on Patrick Mahomes at MetLife Stadium because Aaron Rodgers obviously is now on the Jets. So, man, my Aunt Julie, thank you for buying me that ticket. And then I paid $430 to get down close in the lower bowl of MetLife Stadium right by the Seahawks tunnel for the Seahawks-Giants game.
There we go. Yeah, so I won't be going back with them this time, unfortunately,
I wish
we will get back.
Craziness has happened, but I got to get them back soon. But I am taking Adam to the Seahawks-Carolina Panthers game in Week 3 when they honor the 10-year anniversary of the Super Bowl 48 team.
Yep, and Fabi will be there for sure as well.
Yep, Adam and Fabi are coming.
Yep, so there's a little update. We're going to enjoy some swimming and relax a little bit. It's been a long, crazy weekend, but yeah, then we're back to work tomorrow. So stay tuned for more videos in the future, guys, and subscribe to Sam's channel if you ain't even thought about it yet. So.
Keep on subscribing to this guy, especially with the interviews he's got coming up. Yeah. Keep going.
Oh, yeah. So stay tuned for more, guys.
Take it.
Cool.